Right, start part 3 here with the head. Going to give the Evo a little bit of a head package. So, cams out, and then I'm going to go through and check some clearances and that kind of thing, just so I've got them before I change it all out. But since you take the cams out, pull the lifters, got new ones, we've got to bleed them, and then start taking out a spring at a time. As you can tell, my head was a bit of a shed because this is part 4, but all we're doing here is cleaning up the cylinder ribs, some degreaser and an old brush. Sprucing out, giving it a driveway hot tank, just trying to get it a bit cleaner than it was so we don't get it covered in crap, and just before we disassemble. And that's that. Pretty good stuff, this STF. Pretty impressed with it, to be honest. So we're taking this off, similar to when we're doing head bolts and stuff, working out in spiral pan. Not that it matters too much because these cams are going in the bin, but you know where we're going with that. These cam caps do not get them mixed up, so on the Evo they're labelled, which is handy. If not, label these up, make sure they go in the same way. If not, you will destroy your cam virtually straight away. Quickly put the cam verniers off before I take them out, actually, that'll feel a bit easier. Perfect. Right then, first one out. So we'll put that to one side and look at getting all these lifters and rockers and that out into one place. Have it.